So guys, for the first method, once you're on DaVinci Resolve, in the top left, you want to click on DaVinci Resolve. Now, you want to click on Preferences. Once we're here, go to the System tab and then select Memory and GPU. You want to untick both these boxes, which should now let you change the options. For GPU processing mode, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, you want to make it CUDA. If you're using an AMD graphics card, you want to make it OpenCL. Also make sure you have your graphics card ticked. Select your graphics card. If you see any of the graphics cards here, you want to untick them and you want to select your main graphics card that you want to render with. And again, make sure that your GPU processing mode is correct, depending on your graphics card, and then click on Save. And then click on OK. Now, you want to restart DaVinci Resolve, so close out of this. To make sure that DaVinci Resolve is really closed, you want to go to Search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, go to the Process tab and then search for DaVinci Resolve. If you see it open, then click on it and then click on End Task. Once that's been ended, open up DaVinci Resolve again and then see if that works for you. For the second method, make sure that DaVinci Resolve is up to date. In the top left, click on DaVinci Resolve and then click on Check for Updates. Make sure that your DaVinci Resolve is up to date. Some more things you can try is to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. If you recently installed a graphics card driver and you got this problem, then you want to roll back your driver. I would also recommend updating Windows.